Fellow boaters and friends, this is Kyle Roney with MarineMax in Pompano Beach, coming to you to show you our beautiful 2020 27 SDX OB from Sea Ray. Just a beautiful bow rider of Sea Ray's best sellers, and this happens to be a luxurious black hull boat with a stone interior. Easily seen here at MarineMax in Pompano Beach, Florida, at a time of your convenience. Happy to do a private showing, virtual tour, whatever you would like to do. Just come on by and get a hold of one of our very talented sales professionals, and we will definitely accommodate a showing for you. This particular 2020 270 SDX OB has Mercury's 350 Verado power package on the boat. Just a wonderful power plant. You take a look at this beautiful motor, and this is the 2.6 liter supercharged V6. Just a tried, true, and tested motor, which will give this boat a lot of great performance. Again, running through, you look at the shear line on this boat as far as a stainless steel rub rail. Really Sea Ray's classic styling, classic design. The boat looks like it's moving fast even while at the dock sitting still. Sea Ray's classic timeless design really is nice on the 27 SDX. So coming aboard, you'll take a look. This is Sea Ray's newest interior. This is the stone interior, and there's a great sun pad lounger seat here off to the transom. Notice when you do board the boat, there is just a massive walking space behind the motor, so you can still access both port and starboard side of the boat. All of your storage right out here on the port side as well. That lifts up so you can, and the storage does run all the way forward, so that's great storage for a ski locker, for water toys, for really large items as well. And then there's even a lift up knee bolster there as well for some more added comfort in the seat, with some great honeycomb stitching. Very luxurious styling aboard this boat, and a great starboard walkthrough with a built-in cooler right here, so when you're hanging out on the back of the boat at the beach or in the lake anchored up, no need to run all the way into the boat to grab a cold beverage. You can have everything right here at your fingertips, including a nice wand for freshwater washdown, stereo controls, etc. Even a door right here if you've got pets or little kids on board to help section things off. Just a really great design on this model. So as we head into the boat, into the cockpit, you'll notice here a great table. That table does remove and has dedicated storage. And then the seating here is really something to write home about. This is absolutely gorgeous. Again, very luxurious. A lot of storage, a lot of great seating available on this boat. Both seats on the port and starboard side do actuate. These will move forward and aft to change the seating arrangements around. Again, just giving you more versatility, more capability, etc. There's a great head. I'll show you that momentarily. And then also, look how streamlined the helm on this boat is. Really nice, luxurious, leather-wrapped steering wheel, all flush mount, nice Simrad screen, Fusion stereo here as well. And then look at the attention to detail right in here. Even in just look at that stitching, right? Look at that. That is just luxurious, high quality fit and finish that you come to expect on a premium brand such as Sea Ray. This is a very well built boat that certainly you and your family could enjoy for a long time to come. Looking down into the head, this model actually has a vacuum flush head, so that is certainly an upgrade to the norm. And then also the head upgrade package with a nice fit and finish, fresh water, sink, etc. Just a nice package. And then looking into the bow, you see here just how expansive and voluminous this is. Again, carry forward with the very nice and luxurious stitching and seating. Flip down armrests, and you can section off the rest of that boat here as well too. So this door for whether you're in foul weather, along with the windshield that comes across as well, so you can protect if you're running offshore, running into some snotty conditions. Again, just an amazing boat. This is for good reason one of Sea Ray's best sellers, and this particular boat has the windlass, black hull, Simrad screens, Mercury 350 Verado, just a lot of upgrades, premium stereo, etc. Easily seen here at MarineMax in Pompano Beach. Come on by, visit our beautiful marina on the water, right off from Lake Santa Barbara, just south of Atlantic Boulevard here in Pompano Beach. We will be happy to show you this boat and any of our other gorgeous inventory boats that we have here readily available for you. Hope everybody has a phenomenal day. Again, this is Kyle Roney with MarineMax in Pompano Beach. Looking forward to showing you this gorgeous 27 SDX OB. Thank you.